All right, it's Monday, March 11th. Just following up on the SPY. You can see here on bar number 3, it's coming down now to take out the pre-market low. So thought I'd watch price action here a little closely. This is the first target. You can see here the options, the 512 puts I bought at 537. They're up to 575 right now. So all kinds of ways to, treat this as a no-risk trade if, 583 at the moment. I really want to kind of watch price action at this key inflection point because this is, number one, the first target here, these pre-market lows. And again, given this opening price action failing here on bar 1 or just a neutral and then starting down, it was pretty high probability you were going to hit that target. On the daily chart, we hit our first target here, so that's all price really needed to do. So if it just wants to take out this daily target and take out the pre-market lows and start all the way back up, anything's possible. But if it cannot really bounce from here, then we're heading to this target, and this target turns the monthly chart, as I discussed in the previous video, below the green line red. So at that point, we are on our way to possibly getting this weekly chart a 2-down week. We have a long way to go in the week, and that's kind of what we're monitoring for, given, intraday structure and day-to-day price action. Can this 2-down day really pinball into a weekly low? We're not there yet. At the moment, this is just a neutral bar, so it could be just all kinds of choppiness developing, and that's why you kind of look at these inflection points one by one to see what price decides to do if it wants to, become choppy. But anyway, it's following through lower now here, so you can see the options are already up to 610. I bought those at 537, so this is an area you can certainly scale out and set up a no-risk trade. So I just wanted to point that out and what's unfolding here in the morning, and watch these areas closely because right now if we can come up through the midpoint of that first bar again and take that out, it could be just a choppy whole environment that we have targets up to the pre-market highs and everything else. So anything's possible, but it was high probability to start this move lower. Now we just kind of see what unfolds for the rest of the day, and we have some key areas to watch, to either maintain our bias to the downside or possibly begin to adjust it if price can follow through.